How to fix Discord app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Discord app not working on your phone, whether it's freezing, crashing, or just won't open. So let's fix it step by step. So here, let's get started with the step 1. That is to check your internet connection. So here, first make sure that you have stable internet connection. And here, if the Wi-Fi isn't supporting you properly, you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2. That is to force close and restart the Discord app. So here, just close the Discord app, and after that, just long press on the app icon. And after doing it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on App Info, and after that, you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here in this section, at the bottom left corner, you can see the option labeled as Force Stop. So just tap on it, and after that, a confirmation message will pop up. From that message, just tap on OK, and here, once you have done the force stopping the app, just close the app settings and open the Discord app again to check if it works. And with that, let's move forward to the step 3. That is to clear Discord cache. So here, just close the app again and tap and hold on the app icon. And from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And here, once you are in the app settings, just tap on the clear data option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK again. And here, once you have done that, just open the app to check if it works. And if it doesn't work, you can go to the next step, that is to check for app updates. So just close the app and open the Play Store app and check if the Discord have any updates. Sometimes outdated version can cause crashes and login issue. So updating the app might fix it. And with that, let's move forward to the step 5. That is to uninstall and reinstall the app. So here, if the Discord app is still not working, you can just uninstall the app, and once you have uninstalled the app, just reinstall it again. And once you've done that, it will clear all bugs and install the latest version clean. And that's it. These steps should fix most Discord problems on mobile. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.